What if I told you that in some classrooms today, students are learning faster than ever before? Not because lecturers are better, but because artificial intelligence is sitting and operating quietly in every seat you see here. And it's very obvious when they meet during class presentations because of the high impact they make. This isn't the future. This is happening right now. Let's step inside a modern lecture room to learn how.
Before we begin today's lecture, in all honesty, how many of you used AI to prepare for this class? Only 3? Interesting. We'll discuss this. The rest of you, I want you to be very honest. I thought as much.
But madam, is that allowed? To rely entirely on AI for our studies?
That depends. Did you use it to think or to avoid thinking?
But doesn't that defeat the purpose of learning? If AI explains everything, are we actually thinking?
It doesn't think for you. It helps you understand faster. Are you getting the difference? Let's continue our discussions in the AI lab. I expect to hear your individual experiences with AI so far. I guess our subscribers are itching to learn more. So who will start first? Practical experiences. Yesterday, I asked AI to explain economic modeling to me since I'm a novice in it. Economics finally made sense to me. I can now explain economics to anyone like I'm a pro. What a good feeling.
Madam, I use AI to break down various research papers. Some journals are 30 pages long. The good news is that AI summarizes them in minutes.
That's interesting. Let me explain something here. Having been a lecturer for a long time now, one of the most difficult phases a student faces is the research analysis stage. But thankfully, over the years, AI has made this very convenient, smoother, and faster. That's a very good practical experience by David. It helped him summarize his journal articles, generate practice questions, and explained difficult theories to him. That's the power of AI. Let's have one more experience and move on.
I used it to simulate a debate argument. It argued against my thesis better than my classmates.
I must say, the debate environment was very tensed, but at least the main points were articulated and expressed very well. Thanks to AI. Interesting learning experiences. Let's meet in the library and conclude our discussions for today.
Yes, madam.
I'm sure our subscribers are wondering how else AI impacts learning. For the future, something subtle is happening in lecture rooms across the world.
Are there more shifts that we are to expect in our learning institutions?
Indeed, the changes are accelerating. The bigger shift in all these is that universities are experimenting with AI-powered tutoring systems, adaptive testing, and automated feedback.
So what happens to lecturers?
AI isn't replacing lecturers, we are evolving. AI handles repetition, but humans apply wisdom to every situation. We can tweak the situations to get the best results. So putting everything we've learned together, what's that nagging question on your mind? Go on, spill it out.
Where do we draw the line then about AI in learning?
Can you explain your question further?
If AI writes our assignment, is that still our work? At what point does assistance become cheating?
That's the question universities and learning centers are struggling with. If AI writes your assignment, that's dependency. If AI helps you understand before you write, that's enhancement. Let me explain further. I want you to take a moment to reflect on these phrases again. If AI writes, that's dependency. But if you understand before writing, that's enhancement. The difference is authorship. All AI does is, it explains concepts, challenges your argument, and tests your understanding. That's intellectual enhancement.
So all you do is outsourcing your brain while AI stress tests your ideas and sharpens your thinking, not replace it. Eventually, your output is top-notch.
Let's be honest here. The question, to our viewers as well, is, are you using AI to progress or to escape effort? Stay on, let's brainstorm more. In the past, education was standardized. Now it's becoming individualized. Courses now adjust to your weak areas, your speed, and your learning style. It's changing how adults learn. AI actually aids in advanced learning by designing personalized courses for each student to suit their learning styles. It uses adaptive learning systems as a leverage to tap into your personal preferences to create the best scenario for you. It does so by helping you track your progress and adjust where need be. This helps get the better version of your learning experiences. It also helps you be a confident student by asking better questions and thinking critically rather than as a shortcut.
That's why I feel more confident asking AI all manner of questions than raising my hand in class.
And that confidence matters, because learning improves when fear disappears. Imagine every adult learner having a customized curriculum. This boosts their confidence and makes them enjoy learning.
So the real skill now isn't memorizing information. It's knowing how to utilize your mind to ask better questions.
AI doesn't replace the human mind, it amplifies it, making your mind process a lot of factors at a go and producing the best outcome it can.
The normal classroom hasn't disappeared. It still exists, as you can see.
It has rather transformed and evolved, suiting the changing global world of AI.
The future isn't about students versus AI or about AI overtaking learning.
Exactly, it's about how we use it to enhance learning.
Right, it's a partnership, not a competition. Precisely. And here's the twist. The students who know how to use it properly are already outperforming the ones who don't.
It's about students who know how to use AI wisely, outperforming those who don't. Just to tease your mind, the real question isn't, will AI replace education? But it is, will you adapt fast enough? If you want to understand how AI is reshaping everyday life, from classrooms to careers, subscribe now.
Because the future isn't waiting, neither should you.
It's evolving! Come on board!